40-question English test with a mix of topics. Challenge yourself and find your score. Pick a synonym of spring. Answer B, jump. Which is a synonym of wrong? Answer D, incorrect. What is the opposite of miserable? Answer C, happy. What is the opposite of tense? Answer B, relaxed. What does low-key mean? Answer C, subtle. What does on edge mean? Answer C, nervous. Plural of cupcake? Answer A, cupcakes. What is the plural of island? Answer C, islands. Fill in the missing word. Answer B, he complained about the noise. She reminded us arrive early. Answer A, she reminded me to call my mother. Fill in the missing word. Answer D, he succeeded in solving the puzzle. What does Wi-Fi stand for? Answer A, wireless network. What is the past tense of choose? Answer C, chose. Second form of fight? Answer B, fought. Which option is correct? Answer A, method. How is this word spelled? Answer C, statement. Opposite of rise? Answer D. Fall. Opposite of success. Answer B. Failure. What is the opposite of ugly? Answer A. Beautiful. What is the synonym of miss? Answer C. Overlook. What is the synonym of sail? Answer B. Cruise. What is the synonym of sure? Answer A. Certain. What does hang on mean? Answer C. Wait a moment. What does make up your mind mean? Answer A. Decide. What does on the lookout mean? Answer D. Alert. What is the plural of violin? Answer B. Violins. What is the plural of meadow? Answer C. Meadows. What is the plural of basket? Answer A. Baskets. What is the plural of compass? Answer D. Compasses. What is the American past form of spoil? Answer A. Spoiled. What is the second form of fly? Answer C. Flew. What is the American past tense of learn? Answer B. Learned. What is the past tense of hit? Answer B. Hit. Fill in the missing word. Answer D. She cares for children. Which word is missing? Answer B. They believe in miracles. Which word is missing? Answer A. She is interested in art history. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Massive. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Consumer. How is this word spelled? Answer B. Opportunity. Which option is correct? Answer C. Ordinary. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.